Today I'm back with another video which I would like you to show you on how I would connect a new, brand new remote controller to my garage door controller. I have here, as you see, a Genie model 1028. So I just, like I said, I just bought this from Amazon, and I would like to connect it and so that I can control my garage. Okay, so to hook this remote controller into my garage door, I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold on this program set until I see a blue blink light. Okay, so I'm going to do it. So I see that one, and I'm going to press this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So now it connected. That's why I see my door is now getting closed. I'm going to press it again. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to open it back. Again, what did I do? I did 2 main steps. Yeah, again, what did I do? I did 2 main steps. One is I press and hold this button, set program button, until I see a blink of blue. Once I see that, I press this remote controller 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then it will the light goes off, and I'm assuming it's connected. What I do is to test, like I just did. I pressed it closed, and I pressed again, it opened. I hope this was informative and it was helpful for you guys. And for any other coming video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this, like it and share to other friends which you think it would help to. Yeah, that's it, and thank you. Have a good evening. Bye.